Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Sphere 1 drops from 4H, then everything hinges on comparing system kinetic energy before and after collision, and we can settle this fast. First, use energy during the swing. Sphere 1 starts from rest and falls a vertical distance 4H, so its gravitational potential energy becomes kinetic energy right before impact. Next, after collision, Sphere 1 is completely at rest, while Sphere 2 alone moves upward, so the two-sphere system has less immediate kinetic energy after impact than before. That is the key test. If total kinetic energy decreases across the collision is inelastic, even though the spheres do not stick together. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust the given motion and check the system's kinetic energy before and after collision.